Understanding the phrase, fox in a doublet, an English idiom explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase, fox in a doublet. This idiom may sound quirky and unusual, especially if English isn't your first language. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how to use it in conversation. By the end of this video, you'll have a new and interesting phrase to enrich your English vocabulary. The phrase, fox in a doublet, is not just a random combination of words, it's a metaphor. In this idiom, a fox typically represents cunning or slyness, and a doublet, a type of clothing from the past, symbolizes disguise or concealment. So, when someone uses this phrase, they are often referring to a person who is sly or cunning and hiding their true intentions. It's a colorful way to describe deceit or cleverness in disguise. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help in grasping their meanings. The phrase, fox in a doublet, dates back to older times when doublets were common garments. During these times, foxes were seen as symbols of craftiness and deceit. By imagining a fox wearing a doublet, the phrase creates a vivid picture of someone who is trying to hide their cunning nature behind a facade or disguise. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. I don't trust him. He's like a fox in a doublet, always hiding his true intentions. 2. Be careful while dealing with that salesperson. She can be a real fox in a doublet. In these examples, the phrase is used to warn or express mistrust towards someone who might appear harmless or friendly but is actually cunning. And that's a wrap on the phrase, fox in a doublet. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom and added a unique expression to your vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the colorful phrases that make conversations lively and engaging. Keep exploring and enjoying the richness of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!